my dear teachers and friends. My name is Bridget. I am studying grade 3. August 15th is a very special day for all Indians because it is our Independence Day. Our country was under British rule from 1858. Many freedom fighters throughout our country fought for independence. Mahatma Gandhi followed non-violence to fight for freedom. Behind our independence is lots of struggle and sacrifice of our leaders. We should use this independence for development of our country. I have dressed as the great patriotic poet Bharadiyar. I wish it is our 75th Independence Day. I wish all my teachers and friends have a happy and lovely Independence Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kelly Macklin from 4B. Today I am going to talk about Independence Day. I am a proud citizen of India. Indians across the nation will be commemorating India's independence from British rule by celebrating its 74th Independence Day on August 15, 2021 for 200 years. Indians suffered domination of the British colonizers. Beginning in 1757, Independence Day is a reminder of the sacrifices of our valiant freedom fighters who suffered harsh consequences so that a later generation could breathe in free air. Slaving for 200 years and claiming back our country makes us marvel at the great leaders on August 15, 1947. The first Minister of Independent India, Jawaharlal Nehru, unveiled India's tricolor flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. This practice continued till date, as along with the flag hosting the Prime Minister delivers a speech from the historic monument, a national parade by different battalions of the Indian Army Band fellows. Kite flying is also celebrated as an event associated with Independence Day. People symbolize their patriotism for the country by using the flag. Different sizes and also decorate their homes. Indians living in the other parts of the world also celebrate Independence Day, and several cities in the United States have declared India's Independence Day, August 15, as India Day. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Srinidhi Ramnath from grade 4A. So today I am going to talk about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. It is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August has become a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Our tricolor flag was kept at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks.
Good evening friends and teachers. My name is Vaishnav Dev. Today I am going to give a patriotic speech. We got freedom in August 15, 1947. It is a national holiday for every Indian. It is celebrated in the memory of our great freedom fighters. In this day, we pay tribute them. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag from the Red Fort in Independence Day. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Nisam from grade 4A, and today I am going to give a patriotic speech of our 75th Independence Day. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. Before independence, India was a British colony, and during that period, our people have suffered a lot and have sacrificed their lives. People who have been born after independence must feel proud as they are fortunate to be born in an independent India. Therefore, they must acknowledge the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. After independence, we got our own constitution and are able to enjoy our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire our fortune to have been born in a land of independent India. From 1857 to 1947, history has noticed several revolutions and sacrifices of our great leaders and freedom fighters. We should not forget the sacrifices of all freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and millions of those whose names are not even known. But they fought to make India free from the colonial rule of Britishers. We should remember the teachings of freedom fighters like Gandhiji's non-violence philosophy and should follow it in our lives. In this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, national flag is unfurled and national anthem is recited by the people across the country. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is S.K. Priyadashni from grade 4B. As we celebrate the 75th year of Indian independence, it is very important that we should also know the symbolism of the Triranga of our flag. Our Indian flag has three dominant colors. From the top it starts with saffron, which symbolizes strength, courage of our country. It also reminds us of the freedom fighters who shed their blood for our independence. White, which symbolizes honesty, peace and harmony in our country. Green, which symbolizes the prosperity and the vast spread main occupation of our country, that is agriculture. On the center, we have the Ashok Chakra in blue color, which has 24 spokes in it. The blue color symbolizes the sky and the ocean, and the spokes in the wheel represent life. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, my name is Riya. I am going to tell about the way of freedom struggle. Our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives by laughing without worrying about their lives. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and all other brave sons of India fought against the British and resolved to remove British rule from the country. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi fought a glorious war against the British and led her forces. Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai and many struggled a lot to make the country independent. Indian freedom struggle carried out from 1857 to 1947. The first spark ignited in 1857 by the Indian Mutiny, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny. This revolution was controlled by the British rule within 1 year, which started in Meerut on 10th May 1857 and ended in Gwalior on 20th June 1858. In 1885, Indian National Congress was formed. In 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa to India. Jallianwala Bagh incident happened on April 13, 1919 in Punjab. British troops fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians in an open space. Many Indians were killed by General Dyer. The non-cooperation movement started in 1920. It was led by the Mahatma Gandhi till 1922. Non-violence or Ahisma is a mantra for this movement. Protesters refused to buy British goods and adopted local goods. Rowlatt Satyagraha is a significant movement under Gandhi's leadership. The Dandi March of 1930. It is the most iconic act of non-violent civil disobedience. Gandhiji, along with a huge crowd, walked from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi Beach as a mean of non-violent.
Good morning, India. Respect principal, teacher, and my friends. Today, 15th August 2021, India is celebrating this 74th Independence Day. We are proud to say that we
earned
our freedom 73 years back, which was by and passed by the British Parliament, and we were the first to get our independence. The throw at which is a mark of respect. At the midnight hour, August 14th, 1947,
Pandit Jawaharlal
Nehru rose to address the national
made in
speech in New Delhi. When the world sleep, India will walk to world and freedom. Now India is the largest
democracy.
of the world. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sakshina. I am from 4B. Today's topic is patriotic speech. Independence Day holds a lot of significance in the lives of Indians, as on this day we got freedom after a long struggle of thousands of freedom fighters and great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many more. They all sacrificed their lives to get independence from British who ruled the country for more than 200 years. Independence Day is celebrated with gaiety and fervor in all schools, colleges, offices and other places across the country in the remembrance of all our forefathers who drive the nation out of long slavery. People hoist the flag and recite national anthem. Independence Day is also a very important day to keep the spirit of patriotism alive and at the same time enjoy the spirit of freedom. It also motivates us to bond with each other irrespective of which region, caste, community, creed, sex or culture we belong to. India has shown phenomenal growth since its independence. India has witnessed growth with various fields including science, technology, agriculture, but there is still a lot to be achieved, a lot to be done. Jai Hind, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Surya from 4B. I am going to talk about India. India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. There are different cultures and languages in India, but we all live together in harmony. A great character of our being a part of India. Let us all work together and live in unity to develop our country. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Akshit. I am from 4B. Today I am going to talk about Independence Day. We are celebrating Independence Day every year, 15th August. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. Independence Day is national holiday for our country. Our country became independence on 15th August 1947. We are living happily now and we are enjoying this day because our freedom fighters had done very heroic deeds before got independence. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hi, I am Dhanwan. I am going to talk about rules regarding the display of the national flag. Our government provided some rules to display of the national flag. The flag should not be used for commercial purpose. The flag should not be dipped to salute any person. No lettering of any kind should be put on the flag. The flag should not use as a vessel or receiving, delivering, holding or carrying anything. The flag should only be provided display from sunrise to sunset. Thank you.